Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Karuna Devi, the teacher of Gokhale Education Society's JDC Bitco English Medium High School from Nasik Road. Students, how are you? I hope you all are safe at your home and enjoying your audio visual learning. So, today, let's start our second unit from 5th standard maths for English medium students. Our unit is number work. So, let's start our problem set number 2. Here is our first question is using the digits 0 to 9 you have to write 10 each of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit numbers and you have to read them. It means you have to write the spelling also. Now let's move towards the actual answer. Here you have to make the chart of 2 digit number at first and in that you have to write the numbers by your own choice also. Now for example, I have taken the first number that is 11 and just aside of that I have written the spelling of 11. Then next number I have taken that is 25. Just aside of that the spelling of 25 is written. Then next number I have taken 33, then 58 and 79. Like that way I have taken only 5 numbers here. You have to continue the chart and make or write at least 10 two-digit numbers along with its spelling. So you have to complete this chart. Just after that you have to make another chart for 3-digit numbers and in that you have to write the 3-digit numbers only with their spelling. Here I have taken some example of 3-digit number that is 100, 108, 215, 326 and 437. Just aside of all this number I have written its notation. In the same way you have to continue the chart and write at least 10 3-digit numbers along with its notation. Like that way you have to make the chart of 4-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers also. Don't forget to write its notation just aside of that numbers only. So like this way you have to write the answer of question number 1. Students, you may write the numbers of your choice. Now let's move towards our question number 2. The question is fill in the blanks in the table below. Here one table is given and in that some Devanagari numerals are given, some international numbers and its notation is given aside. So you have to write the correct number or its spelling on the blanks or the empty places. Here Devanagari numerals, it means the numbers which we are writing in Marathi, and international numbers, it means the numbers which we are calling them counting numbers, which I have explained in our previous video. So let's see the answer. In this answer the first number is already solved for you. Let's move towards the second number, that is 32,756. Here they have not written in international numerals, so you have to convert them into the international, it means counting numbers, and you also have to write its notation. Now in third position the number is 67,859 and they have not given in the Devanagari numerals. So we have to convert them in that, it means we have to write the numbers in Marathi, that is 67,859 and then after that you have to write its notation in the third column, that is in words. So in this way I have completed the chart and the remaining numbers, that is 4 and 5th one. If you want you can take the screenshot and complete the chart in your notebook. Now let's move towards your question number 3, which is as a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Jilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in words. Just below that the name of talukas are given, that is Kopargaon, Shevgaon, Karzat and Sangamner, and below this taluka the digit, it means the numbers are given, which is the number of bags prepared by the Jilla Parishad school. and they have told us to read the number only. So what we have to do in the answer? We have to write the name of talukas, the number of bags, and its notation in third column. Suppose the Kopargaon is having 12,740. So that number you have to write in second column, and its notation you have to write in third column, that is with the title of read as. In the same way, you have to write the number of Shegaon, Karjat and Sangamner Taluka along with its notation in third column. So if you want, you can take the screenshot and write in your notebook afterwards. Let's move towards our next question, that is fourth one. How many rupees do they make? Here some currency transaction is given. We have to calculate and tell the total amount. The first one is 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. Let's see the answer. 20 notes of 1000 rupees, it means 1000 multiplied by 20, the answer will be 20,000. 5 notes of 100 rupees, it means 100 into 5, the answer will be 500. And 14 notes of 10 rupees, it means 10 multiplied by 14, the answer will be 140. And then we have to add all these three figures, that is 20,000 plus 500 plus 140. The total is 20,640. Therefore, the given notes make rupees 20,640. If you want, take the screenshot of this and write it in your classwork notebook. Now just move towards the second question from that. Again here 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees and 8 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupees. In the same way you have to calculate it. So these sums you have to solve by your own. Now let's move towards our fifth question, that is write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digit 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only at once. Now let's see the answer. Here our digits are 4, 5, 0, 3 and 7. The biggest 5-digit number is 75,430, which we can calculate by arranging the digits into the descending order. So the bigger number 7 is at first and the smaller number 0 is at last. Now the smallest 5-digit number is 30,453. Here we can arrange it by arranging the digits into the ascending order. As we know that 0 is not having the value, so we cannot put it at first. So we are putting the 0 at second number and the 3 will be at first and the last number is 7. So the ascending order makes the number 30,457. Now let's move towards our last and the easiest question. That is, the name of some places and their populations are given below. Use the information to answer the question which is given at down. The name of the places are Tala, Gaganbawda, Bodwad, Moregaon, Bhamragad, Velle, Asti, Vashi and Morwada. The information about their population is given. So before solving the sum, you have to arrange all these places according to their populations ascending order. Let's see this chart here. The name of the place is given and population is given and it is arranging in ascending order. As the Gaganbawda place is having the less population, that is 35,777, and Vashi is having greater population, that is 92,173. So this chart helps you to solve the next questions. So here 3 questions are given which you have to be solved by observing the previous chart of the place and their population, which is really easy one. You can definitely do it. Like that way you have to complete our last question. Hence in this way our problem set number 2 is over. So your today's homework is to complete the problem set number 2. Last but not least, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.